Hi, it's Amelia from Doxy.me, here to introduce Screen Share. It's the simplest way for you and your patient to share information in real time. With Screen Share, you can walk patients through treatment plans or results, or you can have them show you what's on their screen. It makes virtual care more collaborative and engaging. Let's see how it works in practice. While you're in a session, open the More menu. By clicking the three dots in your control bar, then select Screen Share. Select just one tab if you want to show a chart or lab results without your patient seeing anything else. Or show a specific app window, like a PDF or imaging software, so your patient can follow along clearly. And if you need to walk through multiple items, you can share your whole screen. Let's select a tab for our demonstration. Your patient will instantly see the content you've chosen, right within the call window, making it easy to follow along without any extra clicks. When you're finished, just click Stop Sharing to return to the normal call view. And if your patient is using their laptop or desktop, they can also share their screen with you. Simply select the option to request your patient's screen. From care instructions to patient education, Screen Share makes your virtual visits more interactive and collaborative. Try it out in your next appointment and see how it brings you and your patients onto the same page, literally.